cliche of a school is the schools which we have in India. I'm not talking about the world, but in India, the British created education system, which was created to make Indians to be looking like Indians but behaving like the slaves of British Empire. So that education which we have everywhere in Bharat today, but meta school are those schools which meta means beyond. So beyond schools, meta schools are those schools which were like the Gurukuls, the ideal Gurukuls of the past before the evil British came to Bharat. So where it is a teacher who is selfless, who is devoted for rejuvenating humanity. When the children are very young, they come to these Gurukuls and they take their education staying in Gurukul, in Guru's family. Those ideal selfless teachers who are dedicated to this, and the Shishyas are there not as buying teachers, not as getting paid teachers whom you could command, hey, give me this and give me that. So here they take care of the whole Gurukul system and make